How to create a Google My Business account. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Google My Business account. So let's get into it. Now, you guys can see this is a sample account that I created here previously, and you do have to wait for approval when you're looking to create your Google My Business account. So I'm going to break it down step by step how you can get started. So the first thing you need to note is that Google My Business is a platform that allows you to list your business on Google Maps, and you have your business listing shown whenever someone searches for your business in your area. And with that, you have some basic address information, you can link your website, people can post reviews, and all of that is available on Google. Now, to get started, simply go on to Google and search for Google My Business. Make sure you are logged on to the Google profile that you want to use when building your Google business profile. So I want to build my business with this email, so I'm going to continue on and click on this first link. Once you do that, you can click on Manage Now to get started with managing any pre-existing business, but I want to mark or create a new business, so I'm going to click on Add Business over here, and then click on Add Single Business. Now, this will be the screen that you guys will see if it is your first time building a business. Now, the first thing you're going to do is add your business name. So let's say we are naming our business Arden. And then after that, you are going to link your business. If you already have it in another location, you can always link it like this. So you can always link a business if you already have a pre-existing listing, and this is just a different branch of your business. However, for us, this is a new business, so I'm going to click on the first option, which is create a new business with this name, Arden Hotel or Arma Hotel. Now, after that, you're going to enter your business category. So I'm going to add hotel over here. You're going to add the category that is most applicable to you. So add whatever category is applicable if you are running a salon, a beauty facility, if you have a restaurant, if you have a retail business, whatever you might want to add. So you're going to click on Next over here. And once you click on Next, you can add your physical location. So if your customers can visit your physical location, then you're going to add Yes over here. However, if you don't have a physical location, you can continue with No. So if you're running a home-based business where you are shipping products to your customers or delivering them to your customers, you can enter No. However, we are going to proceed with Yes over here. Once you do that, you want to add your business address. So let's say for us, we are going to go with Toronto, with like our previous listing over here, like this. And now I'm going to use our previous business address, like so. So after you have added your business information, so you've added your business address, you're going to find a next section, which is going to ask you if this is your business. So if you have a similarly named business present within the location or a business in the same industry, it might ask you if that's your business, but this doesn't match. So we're going to click on next over here. Now, after that, you're going to add your location wherever you are located. So you can click on adjust over here and zoom in to add your actual location, and then click on next. Make sure this map icon is placed exactly over your entrance, because this is what all of your customers are going to use whenever they get directions to your business location. Now, after that, they're going to ask you whether or not you provide deliveries or home and office visits. So yes, we do provide deliveries and home and office visits in our business. Let's say we do. And then you can add the areas that you serve. However, this is an optional field and we can proceed. Now, next up, you are going to enter your phone number as well as a optional website. Keep in mind that it's always recommended to add your website and phone number to your Google business listing, simply because if you don't have your business listing added with a number or a physical presence, then it's very difficult for your customers to be able to visit your location if you don't have a phone number where people can reply to their queries and answer any questions that they might have. Now, the next step is to verify your location. So you can record a video of your business and click on next over here. However, we're going to proceed with our verification later. Now, it's a very simple way to record your video where you only have to match the location that you're showing. You can match the location by showing a street sign or a more famous location that is present in the same area. Then you're just going to make sure that your name and category matches your business profile and if you are the actual owner. So you need to just show one element of proof that you actually own the business. This might be proof of address or a video of you unlocking the store entrance or operating the payment systems on your store. Then you can click on next over here and then click on start recording to get started with, recording your confirmation. Now we're going to verify later. And now, once you've done that, you're going to add your business hours. So you can add, let's say we're open all throughout the week. So we're just going to add this like so, and we can click on next. Now, obviously, if you add 24 hours, this means our hotel is open 24/7, which is going to be the case for most businesses. And then click on next over here. Now, once you click on next, you can choose whether or not you want to accept messaging. So let's say we do want to accept messaging. We're going to click on next over here, and then you can add some photos of your business to get started. Now, just like that, you can claim a $600 voucher for ad credit as well, or you can skip that if you want. And just like that, your Google business listing will be completed. Now, currently, it's not going to be verified, so it's not going to be shown to anyone publicly. However, you can start editing your listing, adding images, descriptions, and more info about your business from here. And once you've completed that, you can manage your Google business listing over here as well. And you can see your business profile settings by the three dots over here and add managers or people that might have access to your business as well. So in this way, you can get started with building a business listing on Google Business. Now, this will also be shown on Google Maps as well, and can be a great way for your customers to be able to reach you as easily as possible. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.